Born Asante, Ghana, royal blood, taken across the Atlantic, landed in Jamaica, and instead of breaking, she built a nation. High in the blue mountains of eastern Jamaica, Nanny carved out a sovereign city called Nanny Town, 800 to 1,000 people. Free, self-governing, growing their own food, raising livestock, running their own economy completely independent, while the British Empire operated plantations just miles below them. This wasn't a camp. This wasn't a hiding spot. This was a powerful, functioning, free EarthTone nation inside a British colony. And Nanny ran it. She was small, wiry, piercing eyes. The Maroons called her Granny Nanny. The British called her an Obeah woman, their word, their fear wrapped in a label. What she actually was? An Asante priestess, operating from a tradition that understood supernatural ability as something inherited, passed through ancestry, carried in the blood. For 20 years, 1720 to 1740, the British sent soldiers into those mountains. They came back defeated, broken. Nanny's warriors moved through the forest like the forest itself. The redcoats wrote in their own records that the trees came alive, that her influence over her people defied explanation. Then came the part they really couldn't explain. Maroon oral tradition, formally published in the Jamaican Daily Gleaner in 1967 by Maroon Colonel C.L.G. Harris, states it plainly. Plainly, Nanny caught bullets fired at her by British soldiers, caught them, and sent them back. A peer-reviewed academic study later traced this directly to documented Akan spiritual tradition, not legend, but practice, rooted in African lineage, refined over generations, passed down through bloodline. The British Crown couldn't explain it, couldn't stop it. So on April 20th, 1740, they signed a treaty, granting 500 acres of land directly to Nanny and her people. The most powerful empire on earth negotiated terms with one reverent EarthTone woman in the mountains of Jamaica. Her face is on the Jamaican $500 note today. Melanin as antenna, melanin as conductor, melanin as inherited spiritual capacity. The woman who caught bullets didn't need the science. She was the demonstration. EarthTone excellence, not discovering who we are, remembering. If this opens something in you, share it. Every share carries this knowledge forward. Like this video, subscribe to EarthTone Archetypes, and hit the bell so you never miss an episode. This channel exists because you keep it alive. Grand Rising.